If you don't pay, you give me permission.
Put me on Facebook.
You give me permission.
Put me on YouTube.
I will rant you on Facebook
Put me on YouTube.
without prejudice. Huh?
No worries. Put me on YouTube.
I will tell them, this guy, Burama, this guy is driving Uber. What's your name, brother?
Burama Krubali.
Burama. How did you find handsome mechanic?
I did come here several times, and then actually I was passing the one day, and then I saw you.
Okay.
See you. You're very
Nice.
Okay,
Don't
anyway.
point your fingers. I'm gonna cut it.
okay. Oh, whoa, hey. Yeah, okay.
What happened?
Yeah, there was a day that I was driving around, and then
Yeah.
I saw here,
Okay.
and then I came in.
Okay.
I fixed my registration.
Yes.
And then since then,
Yeah.
I used to come in and out.
Okay. That was in 2024.
2024. That was 2 years ago.
And here comes today,
And
2026.
then no. I came here again. I fixed my wiper here. Again, I fixed what?
What?
My lights.
Are you sure it's here?
My headlights.
Okay.
It is here. Come
Listen,
here, ask
Burama,
them.
based on our record,
Yeah.
the last time you visited here,
Yeah.
2024.
Yeah. Okay. No worries.
Anyway, that's not the point.
My one, there was no. They didn't put it on record.
I can explain.
That's okay. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is
Yeah.
today, 2026. Can I see your phone? Show me what's the time.
709, man.
Okay, it's 7:09.
Yes.
Our time is only 5 o'clock.
Definitely.
What did you do? Hold this.
Yes.
You asked me to fit your own time,
Yeah.
own wife.
Straight up, man.
No labor.
And my headlights.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now he's
And now it's my filter.
and this guy is driving Uber.
Oh my goodness.
He's driving
It's
Uber.
over there. Yeah, sticker is over there. In the front.
Now,
In the front.
look, not only okay. Let's throw this one.
Yeah, let's go this one. Make sure you pay me for advertisement. Pay me for advertisement.
Okay. Now,
Okay?
out of customer service, show them how your headlight looks like. Come on, go, go,
Okay.
brother.
My headlights are wonderful.
Oh,
Headlights.
his park light are not working. Now
Yes,
they're changed to
yes,
LED.
Yes.
And the headlight is complaining they are
It's already perfect.
now.
Now it's my filter now.
Okay.
I'm not gonna pay you today until on Sunday. And I'll pay
Okay.
you $50 for that.
Now look at this. And when he told me he's driving an Uber, I offered him, why don't you let me check your cabin filter? Look.
Yes.
The cabin
Very
filter
dirty,
is really dirty.
Very, very.
He doesn't know there is a filter over there. No, this gentleman here, he said he got no money.
Today I'm
He's
broke.
honest.
Yes, I am broke.
Out of honesty,
Yep.
I'm gonna fit this one today.
Yep.
But you promise me you will
I
gonna
promise
pay me
you.
on
I might
Sunday.
I might even pay you before Sunday.
If you don't pay, you give me permission.
Put me on Facebook.
You give me permission.
Put me on YouTube.
I will rant you on Facebook
Put me on YouTube.
without
problem.
prejudice. Huh?
No worries. Put me on YouTube.
I will tell them, this guy, Burama, well, don't ride on his Uber.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm gonna even pay that before.
It's a joke, it's a
I'll
joke.
pay before Sunday. Trust me.
Okay,
Before Sunday.
so,
Before
Burama, what will you tell your friends, your
My
passengers?
friends, my family, everyone, I'm bringing them to.
Where? He doesn't even know.
Total.
No, the one in the round.
Oh, handsome mechanic. Handsome mechanic.
And
Straight up.
that one, the hashtag.
And which one?
Hashtag.
The hashtag.
Yeah, you? He doesn't know how to read.
You should be here. You should
Again.
be here.
You?
You should be here.
Again.
You should be here. Come on, man.